Here I have HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and like in this camera you have only two different resolutions. Like you have just normal resolution, which you have in a normal photo mode, and you have like really super high resolution by going to more modes, select high resolution, and like this you can take like extremely beautiful photos in really high resolution. So yeah, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.